How to fix the Shopee M02 problem. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to fix the Shopee M02 problem. You have to download and open the Shopee app. Make sure to log into your account by adding your credentials. Here, you will see recommended products with discounts on the homepage. You can choose any product to open details about it. Many options would be available in Shopee like vouchers, point rewards, travel, and more. Open settings on your phone and search for the option apps. Tap on the apps option. Scroll down and tap on Chrome. Go to the storage option and tap on the clear cache option at the bottom of the screen. After that, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search Chrome. Go to Google Chrome and tap on Update to update the app to its latest version. Wait for a few seconds to update. Open Google Chrome and search Shopee support in the search bar. Choose the first link provided by Google, which takes you to Shopee My Help Center. You can get help and search for the problem you face in the bar. You can get help about the fix the M02 error in the Shopee app. The help support team will consider your problem. It will try to fix the problem in a few days. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.